CapCut now has a game changer AI video generator, and in this video I'm going to show you guys on how to actually access this section in any CapCut app easily on mobile or PC devices. Now simply start by opening your CapCut app and then click on new project. So just select any random video and then click add. Then once you've actually done this, go ahead and delete that video because you don't actually need that video. So just delete the video. Once you've deleted the video, simply just scroll down until you see this media section. You can see media. Click on media and then you're going to see AI video. So click on AI video. Now once you get to this section, select text to video. So once you select text to video, you will see different models, because once I click on this model section now, you see that there are different models. So simply use any model that work best for you. As for me, I like using this VEO3. So this is the model that I normally like using. So you can see the video settings. In this video settings section, you can actually click if you want the video to be, landscape, or you want the video to be a portrait video. So for this video, I actually want it to be a landscape video. So I'm going to click on landscape. Now in here, simply type in your AI prompt. Now the more your prompt looks good and you describe everything in a very good way, the more your video is going to look good, because the AI actually rely on your prompt to generate video. So the better your prompt, the better your video. So for this video, I already have a prompt that I'm going to be using. So you can see the prompt. I actually want a handsome baby that is wearing a gold chain, flying a futuristic robotic diamond dragon. So that's what I'm going to be generating. So I'm going to click on generate, and then all we have to do is just wait for it to finish generating the video. All right, now the video has been generated. So let's see how this video is going to look like. So as you can see, you can actually see the baby actually having a gold chain, and also you can see the futuristic dragon that is actually a diamond dragon. You can see the cloud in the sky. You can also see the skyscrapers. So like I said, the more your prompt is looking good, is the more your video is going to be looking good. So as you can see, this video that was generated is actually looking super nice and super good. So this is the best way for you to actually use CapCut to generate a whole lot of AI videos. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 1,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.